Hello, and this is 3DRRR, and we are here today for a brief 3-minute discussion. Earthquakes basically are the shaking of the land on Earth, which is caused by the sudden energy release between the frictions of tectonic plates. According to the Incorporated Research Institution for Seismology, the Earthquake Information Center locates about 12,000 to 14,000 earthquakes annually. Specifically, in the Philippines, we are experiencing 4 to 10 earthquakes daily. Earthquakes are a scary natural phenomenon that could result in disaster if exposed to vulnerable materials. It could cause disasters such as injuries, casualties, rupture of buildings, and the sinking of buildings. Recently, it has been bugging our minds and has ignited our curiosity on how the sinking of a building can happen. But really though, how does this happen? Well, to tell you, this is made possible because of the process of liquefaction. Let us divulge further in the process involved of the sinking of the building. In a nutshell, liquefaction results in the sinking of the building. This is due to the land possessing temporary water-like behavior, which can devour the existence of the building. In our world, skyscrapers, houses, and buildings are all supported by land. Some of these lands have various compositions that support the overall structure. Let's take a look at this composition. Some lands contain sand. Dissecting it further, we see that sands are actually composed of roughly uniform and rocks comprising of spaces between it. With this, water can fill the spaces in between the rock particles of the sand. The land containing sand can be stable due to the compression of forces made by water and the rock particles. If any object is placed upon the land, the particles go down to lower pressure for it to support the weight of the object on hand. However, when the shaking of the earthquake occurs, the solid behavior of the land is disrupted, for the particles within it is disturbed in terms of its placement. With this, the water takes a load of any object placed on top of it. But the sinking problem remains, for water is not integral enough to support any object compared to the tiny uniform rock particles also present in the sand. So, if the water portion of the sand acts as support to these objects, then the land now possesses a water-like behavior, resulting in the sinking of the building. When the earthquake stops, the soil particles are now not suspended in water. This makes any particles that have sunk solidify underground, making anything that sinks stuck in the land. Just like this car.